풀숲에서 다급한 외침이 들려오는데
Sounds like he's really in trouble.
Okay, better haul him out.
한 아이가 급히 달려나오고
Wait! No! Don't go in there! Stay away from it! Stay away!
Wasn't he just... Didn't we hear him?
Don't listen to him! Get back in the car! You have to go! We just have to go!
What do we do?
남성은 소리가 나는 쪽으로 향하는데
No! No! Don't let him go in! Go in! You never get out! Please! Are you coming? Help me!
남성은 고민하다가 풀숲으로 발을 내딛기 시작합니다.